Hey y'all, what's up? And I'm back with another video. As you can see, I got some more orders and I'm doing some trades. So these are the orders that I got this morning. So I will be heading out to go out. And then I also have some over here that's drying. I still need to do those 3 there. And those are drying. I'm about to do these now. These 3, the last 3. And then those 4 I need to start. But I ran out of paper. But I do have a new image. The Falcons. Got the Falcons, and then I got this one too. Can y'all see that? It's blurry. The SpongeBob. It's blurry. But yeah, so that's a new image. Once I'm done with this is actually an order for someone. But I'll add this to my SD store. So once that is done and dries, I'll be placing it. So those are the last 3 of the orders that I need to do. Oh my God, those are going out tomorrow, and then these will go out today. So